Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install codeblocks IDE on your Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 operating system. Codeblocks IDE is an open source cross-platform IDE so that you can use it on Windows or Mac OS or Linux, and it's open source, so it's free. So let's see how we can download codeblocks on Windows. Just open your favorite browser and search for codeblocks, and the first link you will find here is www.codeblocks.org. Click this link, and in here you need to go to download section in order to download this executable file. So click downloads and click this option called download the binary release. So click the first option, and in here you will be able to see the options for Windows, and when you scroll down you will be able to see options for Linux or other operating systems, but right now we are interested in downloading code blocks for Windows. So here we can see two options. One is code blocks 13.10 12, which is the latest version at the time of making this video, setup exe, and one option is called codeblocks 13.12 min-gw setup exe. So what we want to download is this option, second option, and the reason is it comes with min-gw. Min-gw is GCC or compiler which you can use to compile your C and C++ programs. So this package comes with this compiler also, so you don't need to install this compiler separately. It comes with this compilers, so you will be able to compile your program with codeblocks IDE and you don't need to set anything. And just click this option, sourcefrog.net. I've already installed or downloaded the codeblocks executable file, but you just need to click this and the download will start from here. I will stop the download because I already have this executable file, which is this one. So once you have this file, just need to double click this file and click yes, and I'm going to minimize everything so that we can see everything, and just click next. And if you agree with license and condition, click I agree, leave all the default options and click next and click install. And once you click install, installation will start, and it will not take much time to install code blocks. It will be complete, I think, in 30 seconds. And while the installation is going on, I can see this small little code blocks desktop icon which you can use to open desktop, but I will wait for this to complete the installation. And if you are interested in going to the location and see where it's installed, so go to your C folder, and in here x86, and in here code blocks, and in here your all files will be installed. And in here the interesting folder you may want to know is this min-gw, which is a compiler, and in here this compiler files will be downloaded and installed. Now our installation is complete. So do you want to run the code blocks now? I will say yes, and installation is complete, so I can click next and finish. Now my code blocks IDE will start and it will look like this. And for the first time, whenever you want to create some C or C++ program, for example, I want to create a C++ program, I go to the file, new, and create a new project. And for example, I want to create a console application, so click this console application, click go, and then click next. And I want to create a C++ program, so click C++, click next. And in here you need to give your project name, for example my prog or whatever project name you want to give. And this is the location, so you can choose the location wherever you want to install this code blocks. So the location is here, and the location you can choose it from here, And once you have chosen the location, click next. And this is the GCC compiler I was talking about. MintGV is the default compiler here. Now you just need to click finish from here, and you will be able to see your project name, whatever you have given your project name. And in here there is a folder created called source, and in the source there will be a main.cpp file, and it has a sample hello world program. You can just increase the font size by control and scrolling your mouse, so your font size will be increased. And if you want to compile your program, you just need to save it, make sure it's saved, and just click this option called build, and it will build your program. You can see the build log here, and whenever you want to run it, you will be able to run it also. So for the first time it can take some time to build your program. You can see now program is built, zero error, zero warning. I can run my program now, and it says hello world. So in this way you can download and install codeblocks on your Windows 8 or 8.1 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.